Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our weekly stock of the week discussion. It has been a very turbulent and stressful week for each one of us, but we prevailed through it. And first of all, I would like to take this moment to congratulate our leadership, our army, to help us to, sail through this difficult time. I think still the airs are still hot. Situation is still, I think it's under control, but we would see some turbulence in the market. But nevertheless, I'm confident that we will sail and prevail through this. Today, we're going to discuss about the stock of the week. Right. So, here is the quick disclaimer. We are SEBI registered research analyst. This is not a recommendation for anyone to buy a stock. You should consult your advisor before buying. Proper allocation to stock in well balanced portfolio is must. Investing in the share market is very risky, and we may have significant investment in this stock we are discussed today. So no sales and marketing, pure knowledge sharing session. So I hope you sit back and relax. By the way, we are not professional YouTubers, but still would like to see you like the videos, put your comments, so that we understand whether we are meeting your requirements or not. Right. So I would encourage you to like the videos if you like the content in this. So we are home investment firm. We are a SEBI registered firm, and our vision is basically to help people invest, make investing in stocks simple, safe, affordable for all, irrespective of your age, education, and pocket size. So let's quickly, if we overview the market, right? We have seen a lot of buying with high volume during this reversal phase, and when we broke this W pattern on the technical charts of Nifty, that breakout also happened with a heavy volume and which were preceded by very gaps, large gaps. So currently I'm seeing a strength in Nifty, and I don't think it will break this resistance level that was the previous high of the W pattern, somewhere around 22 or sorry, this high. I don't think it will break, but if it breaks, I see a strong demand around 23,400, 23,200 zone. And by any chance, if that level is broken because of escalation in the geopolitical situation, then there are a lot of gaps below that level. And I think those gap filling might happen, correct? But remember one thing, after each of these crises, India and Indian market has bounced back very strongly. So what we have to do is we have to identify stocks which are very fundamentally strong and look for buy on dips opportunities. And there might be some stocks which might be ready for breakout also. So if you are an aggressive investor, you can look for stocks that are aggressive, right? Looking out for a breakout. And if we find out a sector which is going to be either beneficial or neutral to this particular geopolitical situation, we would be covered. Of course, risk is there and risk management has to be done. Right? There is nothing called non-risky investment in stock market. So my view on market, currently Nifty and overall market is that some small dips, volatility till 23,400 is expected. And if the geopolitical situation escalates beyond certain point, which might invite a long-term volatility, then previous gaps filling can be expected. Right. So around May end or June, we might see some turbulence if this level is broken. But currently, I am pretty confident with current truce that has happened and other things, these levels will be respected. Correct. So I have selected a stock, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So if situation escalates, directly or indirectly, defense stocks will get benefited. And if it does not escalate, still with the recent performance of our defense sector, we will see buying opportunities for foreign firms trying to buy the defense equipments from us. In that situation, we will still see some good buying in this stock. Okay, we have a very strong order book based on last quarter's data. What will happen from tomorrow after we see the success of Indian defense indigenous products? We might see even explosion of balance sheet here. Government has already a big support for HL. Financial health is pretty good. Margins are good. Profit for last quarter is good. The stock has shown a strong rebound from the recent low, right? Technical momentum is seen there. So government pushes there. I always advocate that not only the product of the company should be in the demand, but the problem that it is trying to solve, that problem should be a long lasting, so that the solution is long lasting and you will see a sustained service requirement from that particular product. So the defense is going to be a main backbone of India going forward, in addition to healthcare, infrastructure, finance, and this manufacturing. And then defense in the manufacturing is going to be big in demand for the next 5 to 10 years. So it is a good stock to add. And technically also, what I am seeing on weekly chart is a formation of inverted head and shoulder. It has given a breakout of cup and handle pattern also. There are two signals here. I can see an inverted head and shoulder. The compression is happening. And then if you dissect into two, then you can see a cup and handle pattern being broken out. This is nothing but a compression pattern. Okay. So if it breaks out, we can see at least 25 to 30% move in next 3 to 4 months. But still, let's park that investment for 1 year. 25-30% can be gained. If things escalate, this move will be faster. It's inversely proportionate to the risk right now. If risk in the market increases, the stock will increase. If the risk decreases, we might see a little bit sell off, right? The people who have gone overboard. But again, around this demand zone, we can see some buying and it might bounce back. But I would like to put a stop loss, as I mentioned on my chart here, correct? So that if our expectation fails out, we can see a fall and it may come around to another demand level down below here. Correct? That is somewhere around 3600 or some, or 3400 or something, but very less chance. So aggressive buyers can buy at current market price tomorrow opening and target for around 6000 price. Conservative investors like me can wait for some dips to buy and stagger their investment all the way up to 3800 or maybe 3750 and try to put a stop loss around 33. What is this price? 3900. Below 3900 you can put your stop loss. Correct? So that is my view. This is top of the week. This type of stocks of the week based on fundamental as well as technical analysis I publish every Sunday. So if you would like to subscribe to something like this, you can always direct message me and I will be glad to help you. Right? These are some of our paid services: weekly stock of the day, stock of the week. Then we have some model portfolios for everyone. We have certain HNI based services, some portfolios for HNIs also. And based on my research analysis skill, I can help you to analyze your portfolio if you want to get benefited from my experience. Right? So that's what we do. We have a platform where you guys can connect with me. So if you have any questions, you can put it into the comment, or this is my number. You can WhatsApp me. I will be happy to answer your questions. So I'll bring this chart again so that you can take a screenshot or can read it in details. Right? So hope this was helpful. Again, we are not YouTubers, but still if you like the video, you can like it so that I know you have watched this till the end and this type would have been helpful. So do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.